Okay, so this is what I made. Now, believe it or not, it don't look like it should be that complicated, right? Look like a steak burger fries, which is onion, fig, and Swiss steak sandwich with sweet and savory oven fries. And that is it. That's what I came up with. And that's theirs. Ta-da! And that's mine. Ta-da! But when I tell you this thing had, oh, it says difficulty level expert. Because I was going to say it took a lot to do this thing. Because I had to make this, I'll show you what I had to make. I had to make a dipping sauce, which is right here. And it has, what's the name of that stuff? It has balsamic vinegar. And it has, what's that fig stuff? It has a fig spread and ketchup. And it's supposed to be your dipping sauce. But there's another fig sauce that you cook, that you saute the onions in. You caramelize the onions in. And they're on top of, well, they're under the cheese. This was a lot of work. It really was. Now, I can't hold this phone and taste it, but I'm going to taste this bad boy because they sent me through a lot. So, and it just needs to be delicious. Wait, hold on. Okay, so I'm cutting some of it because this thing took, I didn't have to mince the garlic and all that, thank goodness, but this thing was a lot of work. And I just hope, and this is the mustard and mayo mix that you make to put on the bottom of the bread. And I've never heard of a fig sauce. Anyway, so I'm dipping. Can y'all see it? Okay, I'm going to dip this stuff, baby. Because I want to see what it tastes like. And I need, Father, please let this stuff be good. Because you know I tried, for real. Oh, you can't see me eating it. That's all right. I'm trying to dip it. I was trying to dip it again, and my meat fell inside of there. See it? Yeah, but baby, for all this work it sent me through. Seems like it should be better than this. Maybe I need. Yeah, I'm hungry. It's okay. Honest to goodness, for all the work it sent me through, I just expected a whole lot more. Caramelizing the onions and I'm hungry. Believe it or not, I think I'm disappointed. Has a very little spice to it, but that was a lot of work for it just to be plain. Don't send that to me again, home chef.